Hello precious people, I'm your European stacker and I just finished a big black cup of coffee and I'm starting out. And for you who are just new on this channel, I just want to say welcome. In this channel I like to talk about European coins and bars, how to find the cheapest young silver and stacking strategies. And if any of these topics attracts you, then feel free to subscribe for more. Hey, listen. Today everyone is telling you to buy silver. It's going to go very high, it's an historic opportunity, and you don't want to miss out the world's greatest opportunity. Well, silver stackers in 2020, I want to tell you why you need to be careful buying silver. In the end of this video, I will also share some tips of how to protect yourself. Hey, let's do it. Before you jam the dislike button, I'll put in a disclaimer. I bought over 20 Oz of silver in the past 2 weeks. I'm bidding daily on silver on eBay, and I know you love silver, I do too, but I'm also a little bit scared, and I think that 2020 will make many stackers rich, but also many stackers poor. Now, why is that? Let's take a step back and look at it. What is the potential for silver in 2020? Silver has traditionally been used as an industry metal. It means when we have an economical crisis, the industry demand is going down and the silver price falls. Well, when the economy takes an upswing, we have traditionally seen prices going up because the silver demand rise. In fact, 75% of all silver people is used for the industry and only 25% is used for coins and bar, like these ones. Right now, the economy is not feeling great. Gold is on a record high, but also silver price is up, and it can be explained by a few reasons. One, the people are hopeful that the economy will recover soon and therefore expect a similar price spike as in 2011 when the prices broke $46 per ounce. Or two, people are worried that the central bank is printing too much currency and that paper money will be useless. And metals like silver and gold will protect you against the potential hyperinflation. Well, silver prices is driven also by a hungry US market. People see the dollar lose value in combination with the government giving out stimulus checks. Well, people get free money that they can put into, guess what? Silver. In fact, I have an American friend who lives in Europe, and he has not been living in the States for over 10 years. He has a full-time well-paid job here in Europe, yet the government was giving him free money for several months. He was basically doubling his salary. How crazy is that? So why do you need to be careful right now? It looks like silver prices will go up in both cases, right? Yeah, right. And this is where I, as a stacker, starting to get worried. I see everywhere on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, people telling me to buy silver. Sellers are running out of silver, everyone wants silver, but think about it. Who is the people that tell you to buy silver today? I think it's either other stackers that have a lot of silver and want the price to go up, or all of the silver shops that is currently cashing out on record high silver premiums and people's fear of missing out. Oh wow, I said it, people's fear of missing out, because this people is a real thing today. We can all feel it. I feel bad every day for going to bed and not have collected enough silver. Imagine it goes to $100 an ounce and I missed out. And this is what makes me worried today, because as you can see, there's a lot of people that want to make money today on silver. But the only way you can make money out of silver is by, guess what? Selling silver. And if or when the silver hits $100 per ounce, who is actually going to buy your silver? Does that not worry you? I repeat again, if silver reaches $100 per ounce, would you still hold your silver in the hope that it would reach $200 per ounce? Or would you try to cash out as quickly as possible, knowing that it could fall down to more normal level and potentially never come back again? Let's be clear. I'm super bullish for silver long term. I think silver will be used a lot more in the future than today, and I think there is a real demand for silver today. But buying silver today in the hopes that it will make you rich in 6 months is not a good plan. And I will show you why. So here is a graph of the silver price in the last 100 years. And as you can see, there have been some huge spikes in the history. In fact, silver have been over $100 an ounce. So with today's situation, it's indeed possible for silver to go up to the same level. But also look at the spike in price and how extremely short time silver was at that price. Imagine how many people that bought in silver at $70 per ounce in the hope that it would go to 100, to later see that silver price diving down to $40 an ounce. I mean, for example, in September 1980, the price started to go up again, above 60, and a lot of people bought silver again in the hopes that it would be a new race of silver. Instead, the silver plumbed down to $16 per ounce. 16 people. Now, for these people, it could take them up to 70 years of inflation before they even got back their investment. From highest price to lowest price, it took less than 3 months. In fact, that for you to cash out on silver in that moment, you had maybe a couple of weeks of margin between being a winner and a loser. Do you really think that you would sell your silver at that point? Listen, I'm sure some people would scream that silver would go to $1,000 per ounce and they bought more instead of selling as they should have. But why is that important? Well, mainly because everyone tells you today that you need to buy silver, but nobody tells you to have a strategy. And if you want me to tell you to buy more silver, then maybe I'm not the right channel for you. There's already tons of different channels out there doing that. What I'm telling you is to be careful and have a strategy, because I believe that silver price will go up a lot, but I also think it will go down a lot. And selling physical silver is not easy, especially during large price swings. Coin shops won't pay you very well because it's risky for them to hold a lot of silver during these times, but they will put on high premiums for the exact same reason. If that sounds like a healthy perspective, then you might consider to subscribe to my channel. I might not always tell you what you want to hear, but like any true friend, I will tell you what I think is the best for you. If you want more of this, smash the subscribe button in 3, 2, 1, smash. Thank you. Back to the risks. This video would not be complete without me actually sharing a strategy to protect yourself. So let me give you a few quick tips. 1. Understand what is a good deal. Avoid high premiums and avoid buying what people tell you to buy. Do you think that people really get rid of something that will make them rich? 2. Decide a timeline of silver and what you consider cheap and expensive. Don't let bullion dealers or newspapers change your view. Most news in my newsfeed coming from bullion shops, precious metal websites or similar. That's the sources this information comes from. Of course they will tell you that prices is going up. So form your own opinion and stick to it. 3. Understand that silver price is driven by paper demand, not physical silver as I'm holding here. Spot prices of silver is driven by paper assets. So it can be a popular investment at one point, skyrocketing in price, but suddenly people find more interesting investment opportunities and people can sell this silver in seconds. But for a stacker with, a large coin connection like this, we have no chance of reacting that quickly. And this is why I'm telling you that silver needs to be a long-term investment. It can get you rich and it can also get you very poor. So, with those words, I'm gonna round up this video. So, I'm telling you to keep building on your stack. I'm telling you to keep investing in silver. But I'm telling you to be careful. I'm telling you to stop listening to salesmen and start to look at the history and be careful when investing in silver. 2020 have been one of the most crazy years in a long time. I think we will see a very unstable prices of silver this year. And while a good deal can make you winner, a bad deal can also quickly turn you into loser. So, with that, I want to say, take care, my friends. Stacking will be more fun this way. And hey, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I actually really would like your opinion on one thing. Do you think that silver will stop at 50 or at 100 or even 500? Or do you think that silver will go even higher than that? I'm really curious about your opinion. Please leave a comment below and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and in the meanwhile, keep stacking strong.